back over here to this. Well, let's go to here first. Let's explain what this demo is. This is just a demo. Don't use this for any kind of production or anything like that. It's just a demo of what can happen or whatever. I selected, I'm using the push button, the user select push button. I'm reading the dip switches, and I'm reading the dip switches. The attenuation can go from 0, which is the loudest, to 15, which is very, very quiet. So I'm using the dip switches to just demo the different sounds. I'm using the same sound. Is going to be the scream sound, the scream 2 sound. The LED will come on when the sound's playing and go off when the sound stops. And I mean, it's a real simple sketch as far as that goes. So let's switch back over here to this camera. Let's get us some power going on. Okay, so we've got the loud sound. I'm going to switch it up to level 1. Can't tell much difference. Level 2. Still not a whole lot of difference. Level 3. Now we can start hearing some difference. Level 4. Some difference. Level 5. Level 6. Level 7. Now we really can start hearing some difference. Level 8. Level 9. A lot of difference there. Level 10. Level 11. $12, $13. So where I really start to hear the big difference from probably 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, finally 15. Can barely hear it. It'd be just annoying enough to say, where is that coming from? Back to 0. That's the demo of the attenuation. That code was provided by Rusty Haddock on the Kickstarter campaign.